Eerie.
That's a weird thing to see out here. There is a
That's
capsized boat. You can see the trolling motor. You can see the anchor line running down. It's got a T-top. We got the FL numbers. We marked its location. When we get in, we'll send it to Coast Guard. But
It's just,
yeah,
it's absolutely mind-boggling.
that is an eerie thing to see. That's why you go on calm days and be prepared. Not something you see every day, right there. That's a weird feeling. Got the FLs, marked its location. Report to the Coast Guard.
Oh, wow.
Get a video of all this
There we go, boys!
Yeah, there we go.
Well, the boat sank. No bueno. Love y'all.